Hey guys, welcome back to TechMan. Today, let me show you how to get skill medals in Last War Survival. In Last War Survival, skill medals are essential for upgrading your hero's skills and abilities, giving them a real edge in battles. You can earn skill medals through several methods: completing missions and quests, looting and exploring, leveling up characters, and participating in special events all grant medals over time. The in-game shop also offers skill medals, which can be purchased using gems or real currency for a quicker boost. Additionally, the tavern provides a chance to receive skill medals while recruiting new heroes, with small and larger rewards based on luck. Your alliance is another source. Keep an eye on events and the alliance shop, as this often offers skill medals as rewards. By combining these methods, you can steadily collect skill medals and strengthen your heroes efficiently. If we've been helpful, kindly give us a thumbs up and don't forget to hit the subscribe and bell button for more contents. For any questions and suggestions, comment down below.